A malfunctioning fuel pump in a car can exhibit various symptoms. Here are some common signs that might indicate a bad fuel pump. Engine misfires. A faulty fuel pump may not supply the engine with enough fuel, leading to engine misfires or stumbling. The engine may hesitate, sputter, or even stall while driving. Difficulty starting the engine. A weak or failing fuel pump might have trouble delivering enough fuel to the engine during startup. This can result in prolonged cranking or difficulty starting the car altogether. Sudden loss of power. If the fuel pump is failing, the engine may experience a sudden loss of power while driving. You may notice a significant decrease in acceleration or the car struggling to maintain speed. Engine surges. In some cases, a faulty fuel pump may cause the engine to surge or have inconsistent power delivery. This can result in a jerking sensation while driving, as if the car is lurching forward. Increased fuel consumption. A failing fuel pump may not be able to maintain proper fuel pressure, causing the engine to run rich. As a result, the car may consume more fuel than usual, leading to decreased fuel efficiency. Engine overheating. Inadequate fuel supply can cause the engine to run lean, which may lead to increased temperatures and engine overheating. If you notice the temperature gauge rising quickly or the engine overheating, a bad fuel pump could be a possible cause. Whining noise from the fuel tank. A worn-out or damaged fuel pump may emit a high-pitched whining noise, especially when the car is running. This sound often originates from the fuel tank area, where the pump is located. Fuel odor. If the fuel pump is leaking or failing, you may detect the smell of gasoline around your car. It's essential to address this issue promptly as it poses a potential fire hazard. Please note that these symptoms can also be caused by other issues, and it's advisable to have a professional mechanic diagnose the problem to ensure an accurate assessment and proper repairs.